Hi friends, we are back with 5 new words for day 4. So the first word is accost. It means to approach and speak to someone, जिसका मतलब है पास आना और बात करना. The root word is accostia, a Latin word. Ad means to and costa means rib or side. The notion is to move up to and come alongside to interact. The easy way to remember this word is to remember the word coast, as the word ends with coast, and to know the coast we need to approach the seller and ask for the price. अगर हमें किसी चीज़ का प्राइस पूछना है तो हमें उसके पास जाना पड़ेगा और बात करनी पड़ेगी. As you can see in this picture, the person approached the seller and asks for the price. So, accost means to approach and speak to someone. The next word is acerbic. It means bitter or harsh, जिसका मतलब होता है तीखा स्वभाव. The root word is acerbus, a Latin word, means harsh in terms of speech or manners. The easy way to remember this word is to break this word into two words, Acer, which is a laptop, and bike. So if you throw your Acer laptop from your bike, you will have to hear harsh words from your parents. अगर आप अपना एसर लैपटॉप बाइक से नीचे फेंक देते हो तो आपको अपने पेरेंट्स से हार्श वर्ड्स सुनने पड़ेंगे. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, इफ़ यू थ्रो योर एसर लैपटॉप फ्रॉम योर बाइक you will have to hear harsh words from your parents. So, acerbic means harsh. Our next word is acquiesce. It means to accept, जिसका मतलब है मान जाना. The root word is adquisir. It's a French word. Ad means to and quisir means become quiet. The notion is to concur with what has been proposed. The easy way to remember this word is to break this word into three words, a, queen, and say. When a queen says something to you, even if you don't agree to it, you have to accept. अगर रानी आपसे कुछ कहती है, चाहे आपको वो चीज़ पसंद ना आए, फिर भी आपको मानना पड़ेगा. As you can see in this picture, when a queen says something to you, even if you don't agree, you have to accept. So, acquiesce means to accept. The next word is acrid. It means harsh with respect to taste or smell, जिसका मतलब है तीखा, विशेषता स्मेल या टेस्ट के लिए. The root word is acer. It's a Latin word. Acer means sharp to the senses. It refers to the bitter and pungent smell or taste. The easy way to remember this word is to break this word into two words, a and cried. A child cried because he was served food with bitter taste. As you can see in this picture, a child cried because he was served with the food which had bitter taste. So, acrid means harsh with respect to taste or smell. The fifth word is acumen. It means mental sharpness, जिसका मतलब है तेज दिमाग. The root word is acquire, a Latin word. It means to sharpen, which is related to word acus, means needle. The easy way to remember this word is to link this word with IQ, as IQ sounds with IQ, and men. Men with IQ have the ability to understand and judge things quickly and clearly, as you can see in this picture. So, let's summarize what we have learned today. The first word is accost. It means to approach and speak to someone. Acerbic means bitter or harsh. Acquiesce means to accept. Acrid means harsh with respect to taste or smell. Acumen means mental sharpness. Thank you for listening. Happy learning.